The amazing health benefits of quinoa. Looking for a nutrient-packed superfood that is easy to cook and incredibly versatile? Today, we are diving into the amazing health benefits of quinoa. Quinoa is a seed, often mistaken for a grain, that has been a staple food in South America for thousands of years. This ancient seed is naturally gluten-free and has become popular worldwide for its outstanding health benefits. One of the most impressive things about quinoa is its protein content. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Just 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides around 8 grams of protein, which is higher than most grains. This makes quinoa an excellent option for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to add more plant-based protein to their diet. Quinoa is also rich in fiber, about 5 grams per cup, more than double the amount found in most grains. This high fiber content supports digestive health, helps prevent constipation, and can aid in weight management by keeping you fuller for longer. Not only does quinoa pack a protein punch, but it is also loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. It is a great source of magnesium, iron, potassium, and folate. Magnesium is crucial for muscle function and heart health, while iron helps your body produce red blood cells. Potassium supports electrolyte balance, and folate is essential for DNA synthesis, making quinoa a perfect food for anyone looking to boost their nutrient intake. Quinoa is packed with antioxidants like flavonoids, specifically quercetin and kaempferol. These powerful compounds fight free radicals in your body, helping reduce inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. For anyone with celiac disease or gluten intolerance, quinoa is a fantastic gluten-free alternative to grains like wheat or barley. It can be used in a variety of recipes, from salads to soups, and even as a base for grain bowls. Quinoa has a low glycemic index, which means it will not cause a spike in your blood sugar levels after you eat it. This makes it an excellent option for people with diabetes or anyone looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Thanks to its high fiber, magnesium, and antioxidant content, quinoa is a heart-healthy food. Studies show that eating quinoa regularly may help lower LDL cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of high blood pressure. Quinoa's combination of fiber, protein, and low glycemic index can help with weight management. The fiber helps you stay full, while the protein boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. So, how can you easily add quinoa to your diet? It is simple. Use quinoa as a base for salads, mix it into soups, or swap out rice or pasta for quinoa in your favorite dishes. You can even enjoy it as a hot breakfast cereal, topped with fruits and nuts. Quinoa is a powerhouse of nutrients that can benefit your heart, digestive system, blood sugar levels, and more. It is versatile, easy to cook, and an excellent addition to a healthy, balanced diet. Ready to try it out? Let us know your favorite way to enjoy quinoa in the comments below.